Kung hindi po siguro sa tulong ng NASA, with my situation, with my little one, tapos solo lang din po ako, hindi ko rin po mapaprocess yung
Document.
mga ibang gagawin.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. With me is Nurse Sarina Habal Torribillas, RN, USRN from Quezon City. We have assisted Nurse Sarina with her next generation NCLEX application. Today, she will share her journey of becoming a USRN. How are you, ma'am? Can you introduce yourself?
I am Zarina Habal Torrevillas. I graduated in 2008 in Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City, and I practiced my first working experience abroad for almost 8 years. So I just came back to prepare for my NCLEX.
And you are now a USRN, ma'am. Congratulations for that.
Thank you sa tulong ng NASA. Napakalaking tulong po.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, we would like to know the reason and what motivates you to take the NCLEX and become a registered nurse in the USA, knowing na mayroon na kayong work experience in the Middle East.
Actually, sir, it's been my childhood dream to live and work in the United States. Hindi ko naisip na mangyayari yun, sir. And kahit naman po ako ay nag-nursing noon, although may 50-50 lang po yung chances ko na mag-US. Hindi talaga buo yung loob ko. 2 years ago, saka lang po ako nakapag-isip na why not give a chance and pursue my childhood dream. Nag-spark ulit po yung aking desire.
And it happens. You are now a USRN. You are now one
Opo.
step closer to your American dream, ma'am. When it comes to your review, ma'am, can you tell us something about your journey from taking the NCLEX? How did you do your review? Did you create a study guide? And where did you have your review po?
When PCS accepted me, they guide me also about step-by-step process of the NCLEX preparation. So PCS endorsed me to pick, so that's when I started to study for very long time. It's like almost a year na rin, sir, na nag-review ako.
Wow.
Kasi sir, para ako sir nagbabalik sa yung sa pagre-review. Kasi porket nag-work ka na, hindi naman po sir na a-apply sa work yung yung standard. Katulad ng sinasabi ng mga lecturer na sa US standard ang gagawin. So, yung mga standard concept, bumalik sa akin slowly, tapos nahihirapan din po ako mag-grasp ng mga concept. So, it took me a long time to study. Although, I'm juggling my time with my little one. She's a toddler.
Did you create the study guide, ma'am, during your exam preparation and review journey?
Every review ng PIC, 4 hours a day. Tapos, magbabasa din po ako ng mga supporting materials for NCLEX. Mga makakapal pong libro. Actually, natapos ko po yung mga makakapal na libro.
Wow.
Napakalaking tulong po.
How many months in total po yung naging exam preparation and review ninyo?
At nag-start po ako ng July. Nag-test po ako ng June.
Almost 1 year.
Opo. Hindi ko naman po siya inire-recommend na ganong katagal. Pero kasi sa situation ko, may baby ako. Solo lang din po ako. Wala po akong yaya. Naghahatid din po ako ng anak ko sa school. Nagre-review din kami araw-araw. Talagang mahirap po mag-aral.
Doon sa nasabi niyo po, it's really difficult yung naging journey natin. Challenging, may mga struggles kang nai-encounter. But after all, worth it naman yung naging sacrifices ninyo. Kasi once you pass the NCLEX, you are now a USRN, yung license mo po is valid for life yan. You are now one step closer to your American dream. And we salute you for that. Next, ma'am, is that how NASA helps you with the processing from getting your approval, taking the exam, the motivation and the support that Nasha's provided to you?
Nasha has been a big help for me since day one when Pick endorsed me to Nasha. They are really consistent in updating me, guiding me, especially with the mga documents. Sila na rin po yung gumagawa ng ibang verification. Kung hindi po siguro sa tulong ng Nasha, with my situation, with my little one, tapos solo lang din po ako, hindi ko rin po mapaprocess yung ibang mga
Document.
yung mga ibang gagawin. The more na palapit ng palapit ang exam, tumataas din po yung anxiety ko. Sabi ko, lalo pa tumatagal. Feeling ko ang tagal-tagal ng paghihirap. Minsan gusto mo nang mag-give up. Pero ang Nasha talaga hindi lang sa pagpaprocess sumusupport, pati sa emotional support.
Wow. Wow. Ganun
Emotional. Until the day na mag-exam ka, magre-remind sa'yo. Kasi kaya nga ako ngayon lang nag-process ng NCLEX ko dahil hindi ko nga alam ang step by step noon. Nagtitingin ko mag-DIY po ako, yung tinitingnan ko pa lang parang ang hirap-hirap. Tingin ko, worth it po lahat.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much for your appreciation, ma'am. Ganun naman talaga si Nasha, ma'am. We are not just a processing agency, but we want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. And yung story mo po, that's really, really amazing. Kasi kung ano yung success na marating mo sa buhay, that's also the success of Nasha. And we are happy to see you na achieving your professional goal abroad, ma'am. Paano yung pakiramdam na finally, nakita mo yung result mo, you are now a USRN?
Noong after ng test, doubtful pa rin po ako sa sarili ko kahit na na-uplift ako ng Nasha, ng Peak. Pero nung nag-stop siya sa 85, mas lalong nag-doubtful ako. Parang mas gusto ko pa mag-exam ng extended time. Nung after ng exam, iyak lang ako ng iyak. Di ko alam kung tagal-tagal naman ng 2 days para lumabas yung quick result.
Yung nakita mo, ma'am, na pumasa ka na pass yung status mo, how does it feel?
Yung Nasha, sabi nila sila mag-update sa akin after 48 hours. Kahit gusto ko nang malaman. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin na pwede ng 24 hours, pero sabi ko, ayoko akong tumingin. Gusto ko po yung Nasha ang magtingin ng result. Kasi inform na lang po ako. Nung gabi, 48 hours na po yun eh. Pero hindi pa rin ako nagtingin ng email. Kinaumagahan na ako ng third day nagtingin, 8 o'clock. Pagtingin ko, napakagandang big news para sa akin. Naiyak na lang po ako.
Ganyan talaga yun, ma'am. Talagang worth it yung sacrifices natin. And that's the reason why bakit tayo emotional. Of course, after all ng mga sacrifices mo, worth it naman lahat. And congratulations for that. Lastly, ma'am, what are your message and advices to other medical professionals, nurses who are planning to take the NCLEX, aspiring to become a USRN, might be the same situation as you?
Sa lahat po ng nag-aspire maging USRN, in my view, parang doable naman po siya. Huwag lang po tayong mag-give up. Itong NCLEX preparation, mas lalo rin po ako napalapit sa Panginoon. Araw-araw po ako nagdadas. Kahit hanggang ngayon, naging practice ko na rin po yun. Yun lang po ang pinaka-advice ko, kumapit lang po tayo sa Panginoon. Tapos, ang motivation, yung mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Wow.
Yung mga plano natin para sa kanila. Hindi para sa atin eh. Kaya bakit natin itong ginagawa? Para sa pamilya natin. Don't give up talaga.
That's good to know, ma'am, na we should know our reason why we wanted to pursue this kind of goal or this becoming a USRN. Kasi the more na alam natin yung reason emotionally, the more na may motivation tayo, the more na may disiplina tayo sa sarili natin. And of course, tiwala sa Panginoon, because we are not just doing that one for ourselves, but we are doing this one for our loved ones. Again, ma'am, thank you so much po for sharing your story, and we all know that a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same. And your journey and your story is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. We are happy, ma'am, and excited to see you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the USA through our partner Priority Care Staffing. And of course, thank you so much as well sa Peak for providing you the knowledge and the skills for passing the NCLEX examination. And congratulations, ma'am, and more power to you po.
Maraming salamat din po, Nasha. Sana marami pa po kayong matulungan na mga aspiring nurses na maging USRN.